channel. So in this channel, we are going to upload the videos all about UiPath related stuff. So we are two people in this channel. I am going to explain you about the practice set of each course, and my friend will be explaining the each and every topic with simple examples. So our today topic is control flow in Studio. So here there is a problem statement is let's read it. So the statement is find the smallest and the biggest numbers in the array. Initialize an array of int 32 with 7, 5, 2, 4, 3, 9 with your own integer values. Use for each assign and if statement to find out minimum and maximum numbers in the array. Print the result to the output panel. So here there are some numbers we have given. We have to take array of integers and we have to use these three activities for each assign and if to find out the minimum and maximum numbers. So about this practice set, I have already created a solution. So first let's run this solution and then I will derive this whole solution and explain it from the beginning. So let's just run it, or we can debug it also. We can see the result in the output panel. So here the minimum value is 2, which is correct. And the maximum value is 5, which is also correct. Okay, so let me just delete this whole thing. Then we can start it from the beginning. So first let me drop the sequence for this. Yeah. So now here as per our question, we have to take an array of integer of these numbers and we have to use these activities to find the minimum and maximum numbers. Okay. So let's just drag and drop an assign activity. Here I have to create a variable of integer array. Here, I have to change the data type also. String, let's make it to array of integer. This is array of integer only. Okay. So here I have to take the numbers. Let's just copy and paste the numbers from here. So these are my array of integers. So after this, what I can do, I will create two variables of integer type. The one will be maximum value and the other one will be minimum value. So from that, we can find out the minimum and maximum number. Value again or maximum value. So here in the variable panel, let us change the variable type. So this both will be integer because our array is integer. So here what we can do, we can take any number from this. So let us take me the second number. An array start with the 0. So for the second number, I have to put 1. Okay. For this also I can take the last number. So to find out, we have to use for each. I have to iterate through all these numbers. I have to go through all the numbers and see what is the minimum value. So for this, I have to use the for each. And I have to put the integer in integer of array that is. And here for minimum value, we have to use some conditions. And we can use if condition here. Okay. For this one. So here, for this one, just drag and drop the if activity. Here, what I can do is, here I can by using this variable that is by default in the for each, by using this variable and this minimum value, I can find out what is the minimum value in this array. So how should we do it? Let us do. Let's find out. Here, what I can do is I can put like current item is less than minimum value. This is the condition we can do it. And here index then section, if it is true, then I can use an assign activity and I can initialize the value of minimum value with the current item. and I want to print this value also. So let us use a message box here. After the for each, we have to drop the message box. Here I can write the minimum value is value about to show. So here is the logic. So here what will happen? Here let me just copy this number and I have let me put it into annotation so I just don't have to like scrolling again and again. So here what will happen? Each and every number go in this body. Like the first one is 7, so the value of current item is 7. So 7 is less than the minimum value. The value of minimum value is 5, as you can see. So which is not true. So this one is not. And then for the second number, the value is 5. So the value of current item will be 5 and the minimum value is also 5, which is also not correct. So by using this one, it will iterate through each and every number and give us the minimum value. So let us find out if our code is right or wrong. Let me just debug this. So here you can see the minimum value is 2. And here we can see that the value is 7524339 and the minimum value is 2. So our program is correct. So by using this same concept, we can find out the maximum value also. What we have to do here is we'll just have to drag and drop another effectivity here in our for each. And here I have put the condition of current value, current item is less than minimum value. I just have to here put it current item is greater than maximum value. And then in our then section, I have to use assign activity for this one and assigning the maximum value. So we have current item. And to showing this value, I can use a message box. You also can use write line or log message. But yeah, I'm using message box because it will give me like at the window. So here, the maximum value is plus max value of toString. Okay. So the toString is I have put in because our variable type is integer. So that's why .toString is needed. So here let me just run this. Here, as you can see, the minimum value is 2, which we have previously seen, and the maximum value is 9, which is also correct. Our largest value here is 9. So these are the solution of our first practice set. As you can see, we have created 2 entries for in the output panel, one containing largest and one containing lowest in our array. So our practice problem has been solved. And thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.